What's up everybody, this is Aircrete Harry and happy 2026. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the new Shotcrete pump I developed. This is the second version, or rather the second prototype. The first one that we used to Shotcrete a 30-foot dome, and it worked, but there were some improvements that needed to be made. So I made those improvements in this version, and it's a really good machine for shotcreting. It's a great DIY machine. If you're a contractor and need a Shotcrete machine, this Shotcrete machine can also be used for lifting slabs. So if you have a driveway slab or sidewalk that's sunk down, you could lift it using this machine and cement. So here you can see we're shotcreting the 30-foot dome with the first prototype, and it was working really good. And this second one that I've developed that you just saw works better than this first one, and you can see the first one works just fine and dandy. I've had a few different Shotcrete machines. I've had a peristaltic pump and a gear pump that I use for shotcreting. And this machine that you see now is the better of all the machines that I've used because it has more flow. This machine will pump 10 cubic yards an hour, whereas my peristaltic pump was only able to do 2 yards an hour. And you can see here we were using the mud mixer and a pan mixer to fill that hopper up because it was working really quickly. It was chewing through the material really fast, and we needed 2 mixers to keep up with it. So you can see here the pump with the clamp and my reducer pipe hooked up to it. And the point of this right here is to show we're off grid. You don't need any power. The gas motor gives you your power. You can mix your cement by hand or using a mixer, or call in a cement truck, fill that hopper, and begin pumping. If you need to do any shotcreting, maybe you want to do a pool, right? A lot of pools use Shotcrete machines for spraying. Obviously for me, I'm building domes, and so this is the perfect machine for shotcreting domes because the price is right. We're under $20,000. Most concrete machines are going to be well over that. Even some used ones can be really expensive. So that's a huge benefit. Also, some other great benefits. I'm in the process of testing and I'm waiting for some other equipment to come. Once completed, we'll be able to use this machine for different purposes. So if you're a contractor who's doing work, when the time is right, I'll come out with the information. I don't want to jump ahead without having tested everything first. There's going to be multiple uses for this machine. I did do one recording, but I want to wait until I have everything tested before I display. But for right now, shotcreting, if you need to spray your own domes, you want a DIY build, you don't want to deal with a stucco sprayer because it's a lot more hassle using a stucco sprayer opposed to this Shotcrete machine. We have the machine now. This machine is available. It's made to order. So you go to aircreteharry.com. You'll see there's a listing for this Shotcrete machine. And yeah, it's an awesome machine. So here you can see I'm starting the machine up. And I have the air compressor going already out of camera view, and I'm just gonna pump some water and spray with the pump right now just to demonstrate the machine operating. Please support this channel by liking the videos and leaving your comments. Your engagement helps the algorithm reach a wider audience. It's great. It's a hydraulic power plant, a Honda gas motor on here, and it's going to move your material. Now this is not for all concretes at all. This is for stuccos. This is for the very finest aggregates like sand or just slightly larger than sand particles. It's not meant to pump any large aggregate. I have another design coming out in the future that will be able to handle all different types of concrete mixes, because I do so much with different concretes for foundations, different cement mixes, stucco mixes, for shotcreting for the domes. I'll do perlite-crete, styrocrete as the insulative layers that get sprayed onto the domes as well. So the idea is to make the machine to function for all the needs that I have for it. And plus, as I mentioned, there's another design to handle even more materials. But this here is for the stucco mix, pre-mix bags of cement you can use on here. Or you could get a meat mix. You could get a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 mix cement truck order. And you can have the cement truck dump it in, because again, the pump will do 10 yards an hour. Most concrete trucks that come are going to be anywhere between 8 and 12 yards. So you'll be able to pump and empty that truck within an hour. So the other great thing about this system is the clamps make it very easy to take apart and clean. So once it's time to take apart, see, you have complete opening, so you can clean it out very easily.